Good morning, dear students. Today we are solving the remaining sums of exercise 3.1 of the lesson differentiation. Question number 2, first one. Given function is y is equal to log x. We need to find out dy by dx. So, here the given function y is equal to log x. That means log x is the simple function, but in place of x we have log x. That means it's a function of function. So, let us take this function which is in the place of x. That means log x as u. Then y will become log u. Then from that we can differentiate y with respect to u. Then dy by du is equal to 1 upon u and resubstitute for u. That is 1 upon log x. Now again we will find out derivative of u with respect to x because x is the variable here. So du by dx is equal to 1 upon x. Now by the rule dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. So dy by du is 1 upon log x into du by dx is 1 upon x. So 1 upon x log x is the answer for dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x log x. Second question. Y is equal to log of 10x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2. Then first we will write given function, and here in place of it is actually a simple function is log x, but in place of x we have another function of x. So let us take this function in place of x as u. That is u is equal to 10x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2. Then y is equal to log u, and we will differentiate this y with respect to u here. So dy by du is equal to 1 upon u, and resubstitute the function for u, that is 1 upon 10 into x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2. Now we will find out du by dx. U is this function. So du by dx is 10 into x raised to 4. Derivative of x raised to 4 is 4x cube, plus 5 into derivative of x cube is 3x square, minus 3 into derivative of x square 2x, plus constant derivative is 0. That is 40x cube plus 15x square minus 6x. So by the result dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. That is equal to 1 upon 10x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2 into du by dx value is 40x cube plus 15x square minus 6x. So dy by dx is equal to 40x cube plus 15x square minus 6x upon 10x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2. Third question. Y is equal to log of ax square plus bx plus c. Then in place of x we have the function ax square plus bx plus c. So let us take it as u. U is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Then y will become log u, and dy by du is equal to 1 upon u, and resubstitute for u, that is 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c. And we will find du by dx. U is the function of x, so du by dx is equal to 2ax plus b. A into x square, derivative of x square is 2x. So 2ax plus derivative of x is 1. So derivative second term is b. So du by dx is equal to 2ax plus b. Then by the result dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx, which is equal to dy by du is 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c into du by dx is 2ax plus b. So dy by dx is equal to 2ax plus b upon ax square plus bx plus c. Question number 3, first one. Find dy by dx if y is equal to e raised to 5x square minus 2x plus 4. So solution is, let u is equal to 5x square minus 2x plus 4. We know the function e raised to x is a simple function, but in place of x we have a another function of x, 5x square minus 2x plus 4, that is, it is a composite function, function of function. So let us take u as 5x square minus 2x plus 4. Then y is equal to e raised to u and dy by du is equal to e raised to u. That is, we are differentiating y with respect to u. It is just like dy by dx. So dy by du will be e raised to u itself. So e raised to, re-substitute for u, then e raised to 5x square minus 2x plus 4. And du by dx is equal to, u is a function of x. So we will differentiate with respect to x. Then du by dx will be 5 into derivative of x square 2x. So it will become 10x minus 2 into derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So minus 2. And by the result, dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Substituting the functions for dy by du and du by dx, it will be 10x minus 2 into e raised to 5x square minus 2x plus 4. Second one, y is equal to a raised to 1 plus log x. A raised to x is a simple function, regular function, but a raised to 1 plus log x is a composite function. So let u is equal to 1 plus log x, that is 1 plus log x is there in place of x. So we will take it as u. Then y will become a raised to u and dy with respect to u, that is dy by du is equal to a raised to u log a. It is like a raised to x log a. So a raised to u is 1 plus log x. So re-substitute it again. A raised to 1 plus log x into log a. And du by dx is 1 upon x. Du by dx, derivative of u with respect to x. Constant derivative is 0. Derivative of log x with respect to x is 1 upon x. So dy by dx will become dy by du into du by dx is equal to a raised to 1 plus log x into log a into 1 upon x. So it will become log a into a raised to 1 plus log x upon x. Third one, y is equal to 5 raised to x plus log x. Then we will take u is equal to x plus log x, because it is actually like a function a raised to x, and in place of x we have x plus log x. So we will take u is equal to x plus log x. Then y is equal to 5 raised to u and dy by du will be 5 raised to u into log 5. So 5 raised to u is x plus log x. So 5 raised to x plus log x into log 5. Now du by dx is, u is the function of x. So du by dx will be derivative of x is 1, derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So 1 plus 1 upon x. So dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx is equal to dy by du is 5 raised to x plus log x into log 5 into du by dx is 1 plus 1 upon x. So log 5 into 1 plus 1 upon x into 5 raised to x plus log x is dy by dx. Then derivative of an inverse function. Next one, derivative of an inverse function. Now let us see what is a inverse function. If a real valued function f is defined from the set a to b, which is defined by y is equal to f of x is 1, 1 and on to, then its inverse function is defined from b to a. It is represented by f inverse defined from b to a and expressed as x is equal to f inverse y. This is the definition of inverse function. Now using this definition, let us find the derivative of inverse function, that is derivative of x with respect to y, that is dx by dy as 1 upon dy by dx. So in the given function y is equal to f of x, we will find dy by dx. Then we will get the derivative of x with respect to y as 1 upon dy by dx. We will solve the sums of exercise 3.2. Question number 1. Find the rate of change of demand X of a commodity with respect to its price Y if the questions are given in functions. Now, first question is a simple algebraic function, so you can do solve this function first question yourself, and you can follow the methods given below. So the second one is y is equal to 18x plus log x minus 4. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides because it's given y is a function of x. So first we will differentiate y with respect to x, as first term is 18x, so its derivative is 18 into 1. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So 18. And the second term, it's a composite function. So in place of x, we have x minus 4. So first differentiate with respect to x minus 4, you will get 1 upon x minus 4 into derivative of x minus 4 is multiplied again. So into 1 minus 0. So 18 plus 1 upon x minus 4. You can cross multiply this and simplify. So 18 into x minus 4 plus 1 the whole divided by x minus 4. Open the bracket and expand 18x minus 72 plus 1 upon x minus 4, which is equal to 18x minus 71. Minus 72 plus 1 is minus 71 upon x minus 4. Now, by the derivative of inverse function definition, dx by dy, we need what? Rate of change of demand with respect to y, that is derivative of x with respect to y. So, dx by dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx. So, we will take the reciprocal of this dy by dx, then you will get x minus 4 in the numerator and 18x minus 71. So, rate of change of demand with respect to price dx by dy is given by x minus 4 upon 18x minus 71. One, y is equal to 25x plus log 1 plus x square. Given function, we will write first, that is y is equal to 25x plus log 1 plus x square. Now, we will differentiate on both sides with respect to x. So, dy by dx is equal to 25 into 1. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So, dy by dx is equal to 25 plus log 1 plus x square with respect to 1 plus x square is 1 upon 1 plus x square into derivative of 1 plus x square will be 0 plus 2x. So, we will cross multiply 25 into 1 plus x square plus 1 into 2x divided by 1 plus x square. So, 25, opening this bracket, 25 plus 25x square plus 2x divided by 1 plus x square. That means 25x square plus 2x plus 25 divided by 1 plus x square is dy by dx. Now, by the derivative of inverse function result, we have dx by dy. That means rate of change of demand x with respect to y, with respect to the price y. Dx by dy is given by 1 upon dy by dx, which is equal to the reciprocal of this dy by dx. That means 1 upon 1 plus x square will come on the numerator and 25x square plus 2x plus 25 will come in the denominator. That means dx by dy is equal to 1 plus x square divided by 25x square plus 25 plus 2x plus 25. Now the remaining sums we will do in the next video. Thank you.